Namaskar. Om recitation very authoritatively found in Srimad Bhagavat. Probably you read it, but nobody pays much attention to it. Three things are necessary. Ridya Vichchinnam Omkaram, heart region should get vibrations. Ghantanadam, and at the end of Makar it should be so much tenderness as if it is the inside part of the stem of lotus flower. And therefore, I just demonstrate and we will do the same way because it is authoritatively traditional method. Many of you may not be knowing probably because mass media has destroyed our culture. And we have to look either to the South India or some part of Ujjain or Kashmir where they have still revived and they have maintained, they have preserved our heritage. So, O should be 3 seconds and flat, right? So let us have unison all. So breathing in please and once again please breathing in after 3 seconds. So please breathing in. Breathing in please. Same way with Shanti part, with all Udat, Anudat and Swarit intact. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunaktu Sahaviram Karvavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Okay, friends, there we are. I wanted the atmosphere to undergo a transformation. Means what? The moment you hear a fantastic melody like this, what happens to you? Jara jawab mil sakega because I'm sick of the frozen audience. You feel like dancing. Very good. And what else? One person said dance.
Energy channelized.
There's a change of the flow of energy altogether. अब मुझे ये बताइए ये जो मेडिटेशन लोग एकदम सीरियस बैठ के करते हैं वो क्या निश्चित नाच रहा होता है इनके दिलो दिमाग में मालूम नहीं. मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि हर पल इंसान सिर्फ गाता नाचता रहे मानसिक स्तर पर. मतलब ये उसकी उमंग तरंग इस किस्म की हो. You should be in such an atmosphere of the mind that you shouldn't feel, oh, आज भी काम पे जाना है, मुझे आज तक एक भी चिड़िया ऐसे नहीं मिली, आपको मिली हो तो तुरंत ले आइए 1000 रुपए कैश, कि आज भी मुझे बच्चों के लिए खाना बनाना है, आज भी मुझे घोंसला बनाना है. Why does a human being only have this kind of a sick feeling? आज फरवरी महीने का पहला दिन है. मालूम है लोगों का सबसे पहले महीना देखने के बाद क्या होता है? Anybody? छुट्टियां कैसी हैं? Yes or no? Only 3 years. That means बाकी सब लोग खतरनाक पार्टी के हैं. Neither no nor yes, undecided. Not going to polling booths to vote. Dangerous people. My allegations are always straight. पीछे से वार करने वालों में से हूं ही नहीं. Okay, I believe in being truthful and straight. Sounds okay? Yes. Are we through? Yes. Are we together? Yes. Wonderful. देखो देखिए, मैं धीरे से कारपेट खींचूंगा, पार्टी बदलनी पड़ जाएगी तो फिर प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा. Don't be doing that. Once you join me, at any point in time, you want to stop the train, pull the chain. Okay? You cannot disturb me, because I can change to the set topic, seeing to it that the delivery remains intact. There is no problem. I'm not confused. I'm clear about what I want to give you in the next 20 minutes. I have a very limited time, because Bhogalji has come all the way from Lonavala to look at the mental aspect predominantly. We don't separate, but then one should, in a way, look at it, at least in a limited way. That meditative part is more antaranga and asana pranayam is predominantly bahiranga. Could we have the onion, please? अच्छा, ये ऑनियन क्यों चूज किया होगा, कोई बता सकता है? I mean, accepted कि उसकी प्राइस बढ़ गई थी वगैरह, ये सब ठीक है. हाँ, layers and layers. हाँ, wonderful. और क्या? ये मैं इसलिए बताना चाह रहा हूँ, ये जो बहिरंग अंतरंग चक्कर है ना, लोगों के दिमाग में बहुत बड़ी गलतफहमी है कि एक स्टेप गए, फिर दूसरी स्टेप, फिर तीसरी स्टेप. ऐसे अष्टांग योग में कंप्लीट द सेंटेंस नहीं है. ऑनियन का कोई भी हिस्सा ऑनियन इच है या नहीं? There is nothing like outer layer and inner layer. Every part, including the skin of the onion, is onion. Without the skin, the onion will not survive. एक बार उसको थोड़ा भी पील कर दिया, you have to either consume it or throw it away, because it gets spoiled. ध्यान रखिए, प्राणायाम में ही आसन छुपा है, प्राणायाम में ही ध्यान छुपा है. ध्यान के हर हिस्से में प्राणायाम और आसन होना जरूरी ही है. विदाउट दैट आसन कर ही नहीं पाओगे. इस गलतफहमी से दूर हो जाओ. कम अवे फ्रॉम दिस बेसिक आइडिया कि मैं डायरेक्ट, आजकल ये हॉटलाइन हो गया, डायरेक्ट मेडिटेशन विदाउट प्रिपरेशन. यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर योर सिस्टम. एंड प्रिपेयरिंग द सिस्टम मतलब क्या? हमारा जो घट है, देह है, मैं प्रश्न पूछ सकता हूं, जवाबों की अपेक्षाएं की जा सकती हैं. हाँ, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है, प्रश्न पूछो, अगर जवाब इस जिंदगी में नहीं, बीबी के सामने आज तक मैंने मुंह नहीं खोला, आपके सामने कैसे खोलूं? नहीं. हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों साथ में आए हैं, जरा दूर बैठिए. प्रश्न ये है, कौन सी ऐसी बीमारियां हैं which all health problems come to your mind when I say hands and legs are involved. मैं क्या कह रहा हूं, गौर से सुनिएगा. हाथ और पैरों में उगम पाने वाले कौन से हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम्स की लिस्ट आप मुझे दे पाते हो? मेरे पुराने साधकों ने शांत बैठना है, क्योंकि आप यदि जवाब देने लग जाओ तो फिर नए ऑडियंस को चांस नहीं मिलेगा. फ्रोजन शोल्डर. वो डायबिटीज की वजह से भी हो सकता है। और
knee joint pain.
arthritis is a problem of blood. It manifests at the joints. यदि उसका आर्य फैक्टर मिनिमाइज हो गया, उसका खून ठीक हो गया, वात रक्त अवस्था बदल गई, तो जॉइंट्स भी फ्री हो जाते हैं। पार्किंसंस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल, मगर वहां पे भी फंस गई मैडम आप। दोस्त को चिट्ठी लिखते हैं तो हाथ उतना नहीं कांपता है, और चेक पे साइन करने लगे तो ज्यादा कांपता है। मतलब प्रॉब्लम चेक में है या दोस्त में? So even that problem, truly speaking, is not in the hand. It is manifesting at the hand because of some disturbance at the nervous system level. 99% problems are all here. एक तो ये नारुड़, जिसके बारे में भोगल साहब बताएंगे, और मैं इस घट के बारे में बताऊंगा, क्योंकि जब तक ये शुभ कलश सही ठीक रखा ना जाए, उसके ऊपर वो नारियल रखेंगे कैसे पूजा के लिए? तो ये शुभ कलश का काम मैं करूंगा, उर्वरित फैंटास्टिक काम पूजा का वो करेंगे। अब ये घट है कैसा? ये पूरा एक्सपैंड हो सकता है, पूरा रिट्रैक्ट हो सकता है, ऐसे निसर्ग ने हमें दिया है। मगर हम क्या करते हैं, इसको सिकोड़ लिया, यहाँ पे प्राणिक अवस्था नहीं, यहाँ पे अपानिक अवस्था नहीं, मूवमेंट होने ही नहीं देते, प्राणापान चलने ही नहीं देते, तो होगा कैसे? तो मेरे चंद स्टूडेंट्स आपको कुछ आसन दिखाएंगे। मैं जानबूझ के सिर्फ मर्यादित आसन का ही डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन दिलवाने वाला हूँ, और मैं चाहता हूँ आप में से कोई सामने आए और एक्चुअली रेस्पिरेटरी रेट गिने। You're going to count the number of breaths the person does when he is in asana. Okay, not imagining. Because we are looking for a restful program. Because जब भी आप excited होते हो, what all goes high? Blood pressure goes high, respiratory rate goes high, your blood sugar goes high, this goes high. तो ये मोर नाम की चीज़ जो है ना, दिल मांगे मोर, ये खतरनाक है। दिल मांगे मोर यानी पेप्सी भी खराब है, और मोर नहीं बुरा, मगर ये एक्सेस, एनीथिंग इन एक्सेस इज बैड। So you must have pranic currents freely moving in the entire core body. Entire approach of yoga is parasympathetic in nature. I repeat, it has nothing to do with sympathetic arousal. Sympathetic arousal is all tension based or exercise based. व्यायाम में वो लेवल्स बढ़ती हैं, योग अभ्यास में सब वैल्यूज आपकी धीरे धीरे कम होने लगती हैं। हमारा जो शॉक एब्जॉर्बर है वो हम लोअर वैल्यूज पे इसलिए लाते हैं क्योंकि ऑल द टाइम टुडेज ह्यूमन बीइंग इज ऑन द ट्रेडमिल। वो ट्रेडमिल से उतरता ही नहीं है। छोटी मोटी चीज़ें आप घटनाएं देखोगे तो कॉन्स्टेंटली छोटी मोटी चीज़ों में भी फ़ोन लिया, अरे बेटी आ गई, पहुंच गई, फ्लाइट लैंड हो गई लैंड, अभी क्या कर रही हो? नहीं, वो अभी तक बैग नहीं मिली, बैग मिल गई, वाह ये ऊबर आ गई कि नहीं आई। भगवान जाने कितने बार 50 फोन। धंधा अच्छा है आइडिया का, आपके गले में बांध दिया वॉक एंड टॉक, और आप हर सेकंड फालतू जैसे फॉर नो रीजन यू आर गेटिंग एक्साइटेड, एंड यू गेट एक्साइटेड, यू कीप एवरीबडी एल्स एक्साइटेड। रिमेंबर, excitement is a disease beyond a point. Positive excitement is different, tension is different. एक व्यक्ति घर में हाइपर हो ना, पूरा घर सुपर हाइपर, क्योंकि उस हाइपर को नीचे लाने के लिए इनको उनकी लेवल बढ़ानी पड़ती है। पूछो मत, खरंच का नेलं का, अरे नेलं असेल नगर नसेल, कुठे डोंगरात कुठे चाललंय का जिथे काय मिळणार नाही असं. And human problems. Come on, anybody wanting to come forward? Just put your... Anybody would like to come and check the number of breaths in 1 minute? Come forward, you don't need permission. Just run, dash, fly. Count the number of breaths. You know how to count the number of breaths? Any one of them. All the three are... Anybody knowing what is the resting respiratory rate of a human being on an average? 15 to 18. You will see magic happen in front of you. That is what yoga is. Yoga has nothing to do with exertion. Yoga has nothing to do with competition. Yoga has nothing to do with typical advertisement. इसका शर्ट उससे ज्यादा सफेद क्यों? मैं कॉन्स्टेंटली कहता हूँ, अरे मेरा पीला शर्ट है तो क्या फर्क पड़ता है यार? नहीं, उससे ज्यादा सफेद, उससे ज्यादा सफेद. ये कंपैरिजन ट्रैप इज ऑल द बेस्ट. ओनिडा की एडवर्टाइजमेंट कितने लोगों को याद है? कितने लोगों को याद है? आपको तो मैंने याद दिलाई. हाँ, अब मुझे बताइए, तब तक जब तक ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट भारत में नहीं थी, क्या सिचुएशन थी बताइए? जिसके घर में टेलीविजन था, आजू बाजू के लोग बड़े प्यार मोहब्बत से रंगोली वंगोली देखने जाते थे या नहीं जाते थे? और ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट आने के बाद वो अपार्टमेंट के दरवाजे बंद हो गए, क्योंकि जिनके यहाँ ओनिडा आया, बाकी के लोगों के दिल में जलन पैदा करना, यही उस एडवर्टाइजमेंट का मकसद था. You burn, I also burn, all of us go bloody to dogs. Yes or no? So why are we allowing this Western idea of envy and jealousy to enter the mind? Yesterday, what has Mehrotra ji told us? It is the mind game. You have to improve your mind. You have to change the food input of the mind, not of the body. Please understand, pay respects to yourself. You have to change the attitude. आजकल अटेंशन स्पैन 2.5 मिनट हो गया है 3 मिनट से. इतना ध्यान हम सिंपल चीजों पे नहीं दे पा रहे. आसन जैसी अवस्था में she is saying number of breaths 5. You want to come and check, don't have this disbelief. Oh, there's nothing shocking. Actual क्या 5 दूसरे का भी ले सकते हो ना, उधर दो. हलासन जैसा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आसन, इतनी एक सिंगल वॉलंटियर इतने लोगों में, इतनी दिलचस्पी कम, तो फिर आए क्यों भाई इस लेसन के लिए? We are here to give you basic message that this is parasympathetic based activity. This is nothing to do with arousal. This is nothing to do with increased hyperactivity. This is not exertion oriented at all. ये व्यायाम नहीं है, व्यान अधिक आयाम नहीं है. It is not exercise. Pranayam is not vyayam, is not shvasayam. It is not exercise of the breath. It is to feel who the hell has started this game of breath in us. So what is important? We want not competition, friends. I don't know, last year and this year when we had PILF, our Devdatta Patnaik ji, what did he said? Ramayana Mahabharata is what? Me. Macha mulala gadi milali paije. So from me, unless we change to, unless from me to we change to we, change from M जो उल्टा है उसको उल्टा करो. Me to we is what is the magic of what yoga can do. Remember, this is important message. My message is clear. Asana is not exercise. Asana is to bring down your heart level, respiratory level to 2 and 3 a minute. 2 and 3 a minute. That much of relaxation is possible through simple techniques like this. It's no magic, no miracle. Actual imagination nahi. You have to go in a systematic fashion. That's it. Yeah. कुछ भी डाउट है तो बाद में पूछ सकते हैं. और 4 बजे हमारा ये 3 बजे जो है सेशन खत्म होगा. उसके बाद मैं यही हूँ, कहीं भाग नहीं जाऊंगा. भागने जैसा कुछ कर्म किया ही नहीं है. अरे नो रिस्पॉन्स, सो गए. Three breaths a minute, and she is from the front of the crowd. 6, फिर भी 6. 4 in 60 seconds. 4 breaths in halasan. 4 breaths. अभी भी लोग वहां पे ऐसे कुर्सी में क्यों बैठे हैं यार? पुणे का सबसे बड़ा दोष है. कुर्सियां एक बार मिल गई ना, छोड़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं. जसं काही कोणीतरी घेऊन जाईल, पळून घेऊन जाईल. Okay, release. Thank you, friends. So all of them, they're not very old participants. The one in the middle, better. The one in the middle is Rahul Arore. We are trying to spoil him. He works at Bharat Forge and is now potentially going to be a teacher of the future. The one who was doing Halasan is Vikalpa Vishwakarma. She is trying her best to get through UPSC. She could crack the prelims but should not crack the second exam. But I'm sure that the manner in which she is, she will definitely be able to crack it. This is another laudable young girl who has just joined us, 3-month-old. 3-month-old means not you. 3-month-old with us. She looks like a 3-month-old baby. Mind, sorry, you have not married a baby. Don't worry. When did I marry a baby? But excellent performance, just 2 or 3 breaths in Shakuntalasan and things like that. Let's have Anand's dialogue and we end up here from my side.
6 महीने से तुम्हारी बक सुन रहा हूं मैं. सोच बहुत के मेरा सर.
Thank you, friends. So ये मत भूलिएगा, in trying to play the role in life, don't start becoming involved with the role. Just play the role and come out of it. Thank you.
Namaskar once again. There are so many stories which tell us that being joyous, happy, enjoying life outside, humor, this and that would help you in your health. Yoga has a bit different idea. Yoga does not say you should not enjoy, never. For example, what it says, when you enjoy, am I audible? If you no, raga dvesha viktestu vishyanindriyescharan atma vishya vidheyatma prasadam adhigacchati. If ever you enjoy worldly things, it's not forbidden. Now I am audible?
Yes.
You can enjoy. But then there is one condition. Attachment and antipathy should be kept at distance. And then these worldly enjoyments become stepping stone for you to evolve internally. But do we do that? Do we enjoy the things fully? Even when you enjoy the cigarette, you should enjoy fully. Within 3 months or 2 months, you will quit cigarette smoking. If you enjoy anything fully, you will quit because you are away from attachment and antipathy. And then you slowly move towards other kind of joy. There are 2 types of joys. Now, you would be quite surprised to know that whatever enjoyments we are having in our life, and you will be angry to hear that, I know, they are all relative joys. Are you happy? हाँ, आज तो थोड़ा और है, कल से. Are you happy? पड़ोसी से तो अच्छा ही हो. So, this comparison, सिर्फ कुछ राज्यों में ऐसा है, they speak, ब्रह्मानंद है, अच्छा है, everything is good, but only for saying sake, अंदर तो गड़बड़ है. We don't have that kind of, this is relative everywhere. You put your luggage on the upper shelf of the seat in plane or in train, then you find yourself very coozily at one place. First thing after that you do is look at your neighbor. His shoes, my shoes. His watch, you are the guy. So that kind of thing happens. So our whole life is full of this. It's not bad. if you keep away attachment and antipathy, Bhagavad Gita says, yoga has some other idea also. That is absolute joy. Absolute joy. And that absolute joy means prasad. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hani rasya prajayate prasanna chetasya ashubuddhi paryotishtate. And what meditation would give you? What Antaranga Yoga would give you? Internal. We are flourishing from within. Slowly. We become holistically happy. Actually happy. Well-being, health, everything. And the trigger is within. The trigger is that prasad, absolute joy. But some of you must be thinking, ये कौन सा joy लेकर आ गए यहाँ पर? पता नहीं कैसे कैसे लोग हैं. क्या हम लोग मूर्ख हैं क्या? अब तक सब joy कर रहे थे जो? No, no, no. You were not. You were quite wise. But one thing you were missing. You were always with attachment and antipathy. Comparison. This. Now what yoga says? No. Absolute joy. Antarang Yoga tells you this. Antarang. Antah. Anga. Antaranga. Patanjali Yoga Sutra. Patanjali, the originator of yoga, was very clever. He was salesman of yoga, in true sense of the term. That is spiritual salesman. He has so many things. First chapter is devoted to the people, those who are already spiritual. But the second chapter is devoted to the people, those who are, though wise, worldly sense of the term, but they are too busy in their sundry life. They don't have any time for spiritual journey. If at all opportunity is there, they can't understand. Because the basic background is missing there. For them, this is second chapter. It is known as Sadhan Path. In Sadhan Path, we have mainly two, there are many, Sanyam Yoga, Abhyas Vairagya Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, and Kriya Yoga, very many yogas. But two are standing apart. One, Ashtanga Yoga, about which our friend has, Udayji Bence, spoken about very succinctly. That all Ashtanga Yoga, they are dependent on each other. You cannot just remove one, and you cannot, they are not the steps. Otherwise, after Samadhi, there is a void, there is nothing. You go. No, it's all interrelated. So that is Ashtanga Yoga. And in Ashtanga Yoga, Antaranga Yoga is the last three, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. And the first five are Bahiranga Yoga, outer. And both are necessary because outer way, if you are not ready, how can you go inside? We will see that when we have our workshop. Now I just choose to be very precise and brief because time is short. In Antaranga Yoga and Bahiranga Yoga, the link is Pratyahara. Pratyahara is, though Bahiranga, it comes in Bahiranga Yoga, Pratyahara. But when you are there at Pratyahara, you are ready to jump into Antaranga Yoga. So what is Pratyahara? It is very necessary to understand. Swavishaya asamprayoge chitta sarupanukar Vendriyanam Pratyahara. It means we have to withdraw ourselves, our senses, from their object in a positive way. We forget that. Many students, many young men in India are misled. They say, no, I'm doing Pratyahara, Sayam, Purna Sat, Sayam. It happens for 2 days. Third day, छोड़ो यार कुछ नहीं हमसे होने वाला. ये लाओ जल्दी से निकालो वो बोतल. मुझे तंग आ गया हूँ मैं बहुत तंग आ गया. Because you are doing negative way. Pratyahara is to be done in a very positive way. That is, you have to feel all worldly things without reaction, but with complete feeling way, experiential way. And then you withdraw yourself automatically. We are going to have one such method. There are many such methods. The best Pratyahara ever is in Vasishtha Samhita. And that is Ashtadashasu Yad Vayor Marma Vayur Marma Sthaneshu Dharanam Sthanata Samakrishya Sa Pratyahara Cha Uttama. There is a Pratyahara. Very, very easy. There are 18 points, marmasthan in our body. If you just pay attention to them, wonderful thing happen. You are so much engaged in so many outside things, there is no chance of entering within. So you start going within automatically. There are such methods are available in Hatha Yoga and Patanjali Yoga. There is one more method which we are going to have after this session, and that is we have 5 senses, and we have this eyes, tongue, nose, ear, touch, olfaction. So that is 5. And the method tells you that if you feel that we are going to take that session, automatically you withdraw yourself from the object, because unconsciously you are withdrawn, you are not withdrawn, you are attracted towards such things unconsciously, and therefore you have dreams, you see. You say that I never thought of such things, why such bad dream came to me? No, inside your mind, at the unconscious level, you were having some kind of pull, some kind of attraction toward that thing, and then when these things come, you immediately stop it when you are at conscious level in daytime. But in the night time, it is free. They get completed. It is day residue getting completed in Freudian psychology. So that happens, and therefore we have to, in a very positive way, welcome, in a very positive way, you have to feel those points which are associated with different feelings. Associated, and almost all the things are associated with 5 senses. When we feel at the tip of the nose, tip of the tongue, middle of the tongue, and the back of the, that is the back of the tongue, and also the small tongue hanging in the throat, when we feel that, automatically we are withdrawn from the outside world. And then, this is miracle. In yoga, the most important thing, particularly in Antaranga Yoga, which alludes me, and I'm very much appreciative of that do this and you get this. Do this and you get this. But, as Udayji told, experiential way. Not simply mechanical way. That is the message. And then, you go within. And once you go within, from there, you get flourished. I don't know whether some of you would attend my lecture or my workshop, but now I'll give you just one small thing, eye closure. You will know how we feel. Whatever I have said, it should be getting translated into practice. And this method would help you whenever you are anywhere before doing any job, anything. It will help you it will take 2-3 minutes. But in the beginning, it may take a little more time, because first time when you tried bicycle riding, you took a lot of days. But afterwards, you do not need any time, just you cycle. Same way, now this we will have eye closure technique. Normally, it is said that gently close your eyes. You see, we close our eyes. Then what happens? After some time, whether others have their eyes properly closed or not. And then we say, why I have come here? बाहेर असतो तर प्राणायाम जरी केला असता, प्राणायाम म्हणजे? So that kind of thing. Because we are forcing our eyes to get close. And eyes would say, जिंदगी भर हम आपको नचाते हैं, आप हमें नचाओगे? No way. And therefore, your 2 kind of prans in the mind, that is, in your eyelids, there are 2 types of pranas. One is Dhananjay, the other one is Gurb. Gurb is related with the drooping of eyelids. And Dhananjaya Prana is associated with the blinking of eyes. Some people cannot blink, you might have seen. One eye is just closed, open, just open. And they sleep also like this. You might have seen this, because there the Kurma Prana is disturbed fully. And now there is no remedy. In yoga, there could be some remedy provided the person goes deep into meditation. There may be some remedies. And one more method I will speak about it in my session, that is Kriya Yoga. Wonderful. And Kriya Yoga is the best remedy for you to endow yourself with best humanity in the world. Let any coronavirus or whatever comes. It's a shield. Kriya Yoga. And that's a wonderful thing. And it's a very simple thing that we are going to have that. So now eye closure technique. Now just look in front. Eyes are as relaxed as easily possible for you. And it would be better if you keep your back straight, because that would be fine. थोड़ा सा आगे. It's just 2-3 minutes की बात है. And just look in front. And you can look a little downwards also if you wish. Otherwise it's okay if you look in front of you. But then not at particular point as such. Think as if you are looking at just the blank space. Blank space. Just, there are so many things in front, but feel that it is a blank space. And it's easy. And the blinking should go on as usual. Please do this 2-3 minutes, and it will happen. Blinking, normal. Normal blinking. Sometimes eyes blink after 3 seconds, sometimes 2, sometimes 5, sometimes 10. Normal blinking. Please do not close your eyes. You are tempted to close your eyes, but please have some control. Do not close your eyes. Looking in front, blinking is going on in a very normal, natural way. Normal, natural way. Blinking. Normal, natural. Eyes are relaxed. Eyes are relaxed. Now at the same time, just have a feel from within the body. General feel. General feel within the body. काय वाटते कुणात मला माझ्या आत शरीराच्या ढोबळ मानाने सामान्यपणे काय वाटतं मला काय आहेत आत शरीराच्या आत what is it inside feel in a general way and the blinking is going on feel in a general way within the whole body in a general way blinking is going on. Blinking is going on. Feel general way. Relaxation happens, and that relaxation just goes inside your eyes, and you feel like your eyes getting closed. Anytime, but don't close your eyes. Eyes would get closed all by themselves. You have to wait for eye closure. So 2 things are essential. Just blinking, normal way, and feeling your body from within. Blinking, normal way, just 2 things. Blinking, normal way, feeling your body from within. Within 3, 4, 5, maximally 10 seconds, and your eyes start getting closed. Most natural way. And once eyes are closed, please do not open them. Suppose after your eyes are closed, still you feel some kind of disturbances. Suppose once eyes are closed, still you feel some kind of disturbances. Then what to do? Open your eyes only a little bit. Open your eyes only a little bit. Only a little bit. Blinking is going on as usual. And simply wait for eye closure. That's all. Just wait for eye closure. Anytime eyes would get closed. One's eyes are closed. Do not open them. And now, just for a few seconds, nothing to do. Just nothing. For a few seconds, you will notice within your eyes there is some relaxation. The relaxation is also there within your whole body. But within your eyes, little bit more of it. Little bit more, because you have allowed your eyes to get closed. You have not closed them, but you have allowed. Udeji has said very good thing, that it is only preparation. Same way. For meditation, we simply prepare ourselves. And people call it the meditation technique or dharana techniques. We do not meditate. Nobody can. It's only preparation and meditation happens. So eyes are closed, and within your eyes there is some relaxation. Can you feel that relaxation? And once you feel that relaxation, just continue to feel. Just continue to feel. The relaxation gets spread on the whole face. Whole face. It happens automatically. You are not doing anything. Whole face is full of relaxation. Maybe a little bit, but yes, it is. Whole face. And now your job is just to feel relaxation on your whole face. Relaxation which is already there within your whole face. Continue. Relaxation on the whole face. You are feeling. You are feeling. Slowly the relaxation gets spread throughout the body. It happens. Remember, happening thing is important. Doing is not. Karta bhav, no. Karmani bhav, yes. And then only we go from Bahyakash to Antarakash, from Antarakash to Chidakash. Doing is prayog. Experientially, feeling something is some prayog, and then only we have some prasad or absolute joy. So now whole body is full of relaxation, and you are feeling it. Whole body is full of relaxation. Just continue with it. You are not doing anything, you are not imagining, but whatever relaxation is there within the body, you are feeling it. Whatever little. Just continue. Relaxation within the whole body. Remember, whole body relaxation is most important. Swami Kulananda has spoken about it for the first time in the world. In Kevaladham, for the first time in the world he spoke that it is whole body we have to attend. And because this is the whole cosmos, Brahmanda, it is Samashti. And our body is Vyashti. And then it is Samashti. That means cosmos, microcosm, macrocosm. Yes. So feeling your body, whole body, there is a secret. Feel the entire body. There is relaxation. And if you feel relaxation of the whole body, what happens? Just find out. Relaxation gets deepened more and more. Relaxation gets deepened more and more. And there is a time when you feel just the silence within. Just the silence. Just remain in silence for a minute or two. Just the silence. 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 Mind may wander. It is not a problem. Yes, it is not a problem. Bring it back, the mind, firmly but slowly, firmly and slowly. And again the silence. Again the silence. Just last 60 seconds of silence. Last 60 seconds of silence. Just the silence. And now, eyes are closed. Simply allow your eyes to get open if your eyes wish so. Otherwise, keep your eyes closed for a while. Because you need permission of your eyes to allow themselves to get open. Are your eyes are wanting to get open? Allow them to get open. But don't force them to get open. It's Tada Drashta Sarupa Avasthana. You are watcher, you are seer. You are not doer. You simply feel. You simply feel. When eyes are open. For meditation, we need two things. One, least tensions, maximum awareness. That's all. Somehow, if you can bring this, there's a point. Maximum awareness, but tensions least. But how to make tensions minimal? Managing your emotions. And how to manage your emotions? Different techniques of dharana. Different techniques of pratyahara. And they will contain your emotions. Once emotions are calmed down, then sajagta or awareness is on the rise. And meditation happens without your own realization when you had meditation. Meditation happens. Nobody can do. How can you do it? Happens. You need to have only preparation of it. Just prepare yourself. And there are methods available of preparing yourself. Shiv Samhita has so many methods. And also the Vijnana Bhairav Tantra has more than 112 methods. So you can choose, you can prepare yourself and just embark on the voyage of meditation. It will never disappoint you. Thank you very much.